be the Flash.
You gonna get shocked by lightning and be the Flash?
Yeah, nigga.
You gonna turn into the Flash after you get shocked by lightning? No, it's gonna be like this. Hold the camera. I'm gonna be like this. Look.
Stop, man.
I'm gonna get shot by lightning and be the Flash. Watch. Ah! No shit. Fuck you.
You see number 2 right there.
You got my shoes?
Hey, Miss Corey, you got my shoes? Are you getting on the bus? Hey, can Isaac?
You don't have one.
You riding the bus? Any bus you need. If you need to get on the bus, get on the bus. This is your bus.
Come on. Guys.
You see number 4.
Me?
You. Number 4.
See you next to your boss.
Sit on this side.
It's late. Yeah, I'm walking out here.
You about to do something about it? I'll give you my tongue.
Number 7.
7. Come on, sit right here.
That's right, you only got
It's late, bro.
You wanna go? Let's go.
Are you okay? What's wrong with you, bro? Come on, give me some. Come on, hurry up. Let me get some.
The only word I know is
Some chips.
abortion.
Go sit down.
All those times I gave you stuff?
Abortion.
More. Come on, hurry up. More. Come on, hurry up. More. Come on, hurry up.
Go, okay? I'm hungry too.
I'm hungry too.
Go away.
You're always hungry. Fuck you mean?
Oh, put her out. I'm trying to get fat. What? I want to be fat.
Same.
I want to be fat.
I just want to roll around everywhere.
Yo, whose kid is this, bro?
You know, ever since I heard
Alright, guys.
saying you out,
Alright, guys.
I just started eating mattresses.
Alright.
My life.
Just late. Little storm and shit. I got shot by lightning and turned into the